Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick Lori Vallow update. So first up, she is going to have to appear in person at her next preliminary court hearing, and I'm really looking forward to that personally. Next up, the lead detective's son is actually married to Chad's niece, making them related by marriage. Now, it is said that Chad's brother doesn't speak to him, so it still kind of is a conflict of interest, but he doesn't speak to him. So I want to hear your thoughts about that below, because it is kind of a weird situation. I'm not really sure if it matters, but Brandon is remarried. He has been divorced from Melanie for a year. I know some people had some negative things to say, but he was divorced for a pretty good amount of time. Something else I thought was interesting, it's known that Tylee Ryan had a mysterious illness and was sick all the time. It said that she was always in her bed resting and sleeping, and the doctors could never figure out what was actually wrong with her. Also, there's been newly released court documents. The custody battle with Tylee Ryan and her father, Joseph Ryan, and Lori Vallow. In 2009, court had to investigate the case and report its findings, and in the findings it said are concerned with Tylee's emotional well-being due to the fact that it hasn't been fully examined and explained to the court. Also says in there that her emotional state has appeared to be adversely affected by the sustained level of conflict that many custody cases like this exhibit. So that being because of what's going on with her mom and the dad at the time. It's said in 2008 that Tylee claims and alleges that her dad, Joseph Ryan, had molested her. And the therapist informed the courts that Tylee had been excited to go and be able to spend time and see her dad. Through the documents to the therapist that she was nervous to stay overnight because of what she claims Joe had done to her and her brother. I looked over the documents. It said that it was unsupported, and if you read the documents, and I'm going to try to find them again and screenshot them, the therapist and the social worker said how it seems almost as if it was put into her mind to say that, and it also seems that it's not authentic with everything that they had witnessed. So it's a little bit weird. It seems like it never really came to a close. So that's pretty much it with what's going on, the new findings of the whole situation case. This thing goes back so far, it's like insane to me. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.